In this video, we are going to explain how to deactivate a meter or another fuel point in GHGi Analytics. There may be occasions when you will need to deactivate a gas or electricity meter or a specific fuel point. In the case of gas or electricity meters, this will normally be because the physical meter has to be replaced. In this situation, the MPAN or MPRN number will remain the same, but the meter associated with a particular MPAN or MPRN will have a different serial number. Logging in takes you to the dashboard page, where in the navigation bar you select Setup and Edit Electricity Meters. This takes you to the Edit Electricity Meters for that account, and it would show your account number. You will know the MPAN to which your meter change applies, and there are two ways to find the MPAN you're looking for. If you don't have many meters, find the last three numbers in the MPAN grid and look for them in the list of meters on the web page. If you have a large number of meters, I recommend that you use the Locate the Correct MPAN grid. Enter the last three digits of the MPAN, shown on the bill, into the last box on the grid and press the Search for Meters button. I'm going to select a meter from the grid. This brings up the Edit Electricity Meter form. You go to the bottom of the page where you will see a row Activation Status. Click the radio button labelled Inactive, then click the Update button. This will deactivate the meter and take you to the confirmation of changes made. At the top of the page on the third line, you will see that it has been deactivated. The data related to the deactivated meter does not disappear. It is still in the database and is used to calculate the energy usage and resulting emissions for the period when it was active. If you've made an error and deactivated the wrong meter, the process can be reversed. Click Back to Meter List button and you will see the deactivated meter highlighted in pink. To reactivate it, click the green Select button and at the bottom of the page click the radio button Active. Click Update and you will again be taken to the Confirmation of Changes page. Click on Back to Meter List and you will see that the meter is no longer highlighted in pink. Thank you for watching.